product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low.
What's going on, everybody? We're going to try this again. We're going to try it again, man. What's going on, everybody? Happy Sunday. Happy Turkey Day. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Alexo Crypto here. I think all I want for Christmas is Starlink, baby. Starlink. What's going on, everybody? Let's jump into it, man. Ain't nobody got time for internet issues on the turkey weekend. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. Let's see what's going on here, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Let me know how the stream is. We out here. We're doing it again. We got a lot of liquidity, baby. A lot of liquidity. Here we come on the Turkey Day. Reaping the spoils, man. So we're gonna unmitigated candles to mitigate, liquidity to devour. Let's go. Yeah, man. Look at all this, all the juiciness below us. It's absolutely a plethora of absolute juicy liquidity within. I don't even think it can populate all the juiciness below us here. And I am in an injective long, so I might have to close that out. Woo-wee. You should buy them Bitcoins, saying to Auntie Ann, who's never bought Bitcoin, but's got a lot of money. Turkey Day is not going to go over too well when Bitcoin drops from a measly 99,800 all the way down to the ground. Oh man, let's say good morning to all you guys. Happy Turkey weekend. I think I don't know. I'm Canadian. We do our Turkey weekend a lot earlier than you guys. Thank you guys for being here. The stream is working now. The stream is working. It's weird. It's weird. It just wants to not work when I'm ready to trade, you know, all that good stuff. So it could be maybe it's the VPN. Maybe it's the VPN. I don't know. I'm starting to think it's the VPN. We'll have to see. How we all doing this weekend? Hope you're doing well. You guys have some beautiful trades. I had a couple good trades yesterday. I longed AVAX at the bottom. What else did I trade? I took profits on my injective trade yesterday. Make sure you guys are saying good morning or good afternoon. It is 10:43 here, so I mean, much love to every single one of you guys who are here. Bina, what's going on? Looks better now. Thank you. R.S. Miller, Kyle N. Thanks for not getting me up at 5 a.m. today. Let's go, man. Yeah, I mean, you must be on the West Coast. Hope you're doing well. V Monitor, good morning to you. Luke Zaldana, good morning, man. How's it going? Bjorn, hello. Bullish on Parade, good to see you as well. Good morning, Otter, says Buck. Jacob Dorton, Otter time. Good so far. Yeah, the stream seems all right. Jeffrey Stone Cipher, good morning to you, man. Hope you're doing well. Mike Owen, how far is VeChain going down in your opinion? So I'm going to make a list here. We did this yesterday, but we can do it live now. So put your alts, especially you first come first servers. Okay, put your alts in the chat, and we can go look at your altcoins. We'll look at Injective too, because I am in on Injective in a long right now, and we'll see if it does want to pop up. I might just close it. I don't know yet. And then we'll get to your altcoins. Take a look at that. SEI. Yeah, I saw SEI going on. And please don't put any like shit coins on there, man. I mean, I don't mind looking at any of your tokens, but like when it's just like up and that's it, it's what do you want me to tell you to do? Wait for a pullback, press buy, okay? Buy it on spot. Don't risk too much. All that good stuff. Petrus, good morning to you, man. There's an order blocks to reach, unmitigated candles to mitigate, liquidity to devour. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We'll get some levels on Bitcoin. We'll go top down on Bitcoin first, obviously, and get some good levels in there, and make sure that we have a clear idea of where Bitcoin can go. But looks like we are rolling over, rolling. Carlos, good morning to you. Zena, good morning. Zena. Marv, good morning. Good to see you. RS Miller, happy Thanksgiving, man. Happy Thanksgiving, brother. Hope you're doing well. Quantum Reality, good morning to you. Al Jr., do my eyes deceive me? Otter gang. Let's go, man. The gang is in the house. What's going on, everybody? I blow myself up to say good morning so you guys can see my pimples and dimples. Pimples and dimples, right? Oh, man. Good morning to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. Good morning, NW Wody. Good morning to you, Wix Wi-Fi 89. Let's go. Stream is 100. Let's go. We got Quantum Reality. Is Ron a ish coin? That's what I want to know. JTO. We'll put Ron on there, but I don't think Ron is a good coin. But we'll see. Hex, we're not looking at Hex. Okay, we can look at Hex. I guess we'll look at Hex. First come, first serve, right? Oh, man. Mark Dutch broke my heart yesterday on the stream about Beautiful Short. Mark Dutch be breaking hearts out there. The Dutch magician, we'll call him. Ethereum, not an altcoin, but still. Yeah, we can look at ETH. We do see some rotation. ETH is quite lagging, but I do believe ETH will have its day. I do hold quite a bit of ETH still. Even though I sold 20 ETH, I still got about 16, 17 more ETH to sell. Tia is waking up. Absolutely. I love me some Tia. Had a nice pump the other day. Okay, good morning to you guys. Bass Crouton, Kuzlin, good morning to you. How far down is BTC falling? So we'll get some key levels for you guys on BTC as well. On Bitcoinable, good to see you, Jay Becker. Bullish on parade. A million, I'm up, young money billionaire. Oh, what's going on? Still shopping for your chair? Oh man, you're still shopping for a chair. I told you what chair I use. I sit on a tractor. Dot and Jasmine. You guys making a big list here, guys. Checking it twice. Gonna see if you're not here. Nice. Wick 589. What's going on? Jordan S. Good to see you. D Mac. Morning to you. Albino Rhino. Good morning to you, man. He's rare like Mr. Clean with hair. What's going on? Warren G. Al Jr. Nuts out for Peanut. Let's go. Formerly Lasers. Nuts out for Peanut. Let's go. Peanut BTC. So we're going to go over all that. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Redman, good morning to you. Billy Goat Tails in the house. What's going on, my man? What's going on, my man? So we're going to pin that message over there. Make sure if you are running a little late to the show that, that we are saying good morning anyways. We all got to say good morning. I'm going to go and dunk them in some cold water and shrinkage here. So, woo! All right, and let's go and take a look at Bitcoin. My God, Bitcoin dying. Bitcoin dying. So we got liquidity all the way up here, all the way from 85,000. Remember we said 85,000 key area that we are looking for. Let's pop those on. Oh my God, look at the order blocks. Look at the liquidity. Okay, and first and foremost, what are we going to do? We're going to take all this stuff and organize it, and we're going to slide it all over, right? So we're going to go, oop, and then we're going to, I don't know if it can let me group slide. Will it let me group slide? Will it let me group? Oh, no, I don't want to do that. No, it won't let me group slide. Oh, it's even doubling it up. Okay, that's not, this isn't a one-night stand. We're not trying to double it all up here. So Let's just drag all these over here because they're still relevant. They're very relevant. We're going to get you some better key levels, though. Obviously, this is like order block city and golden pocket city and all that stuff. So we are a prepared trader. A prepared trader is a profitable trader. We always want to set the trap. Are we going to roll over? Can we bounce from here? That is a question because we are filling up a nice little area in here. Nice liquidity down below here, scaring everybody out, saying, you know what, Thanksgiving, sorry, Grandma, but, don't buy Bitcoin right now. Even though when we see red candles, when we see a dump like this, it's typically the best time to buy into a major pump. So will we get that sweep down? How far can we go? How low can we go? We'll have to take a look at all this stuff and do some top-down analysis on Bitcoin. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. We do have a Black Friday sale in our Discord. If you are new here, come over and hang out. Traders helping traders, $15 a month. Last time you'll ever see it. In the Discord, come over and hang out in the Discord. We'd love to have you. Link is down below, but last chance till December 1st do we have the $15 discount. Okay, this is a roll over, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. So let's go top down. What do we have here on our weekly? Taking a look at Market Cypher, taking a look at the charts here. Thank you, everybody, for smashing those likes. I greatly appreciate you guys, and thank you for supporting the channel. So weekly, 3 white soldiers, right? 3 white soldiers on the way to the moon, right? And you look at all these, right? They all have a little bit of a correction, 3% here, 3% here. And guess what? They just kept going up. Now, Wall Street's going to laugh because they're going to buy the living poop out of this when, Monday starts. Because, they can't trade. Wall Street can't necessarily trade this on the weekend. So unless, they got their little personal account, that Percy account. So continuation up here, rolling over a little bit on our Market Cypher here, VWAP. So what do we think? I think money is king, obviously, and as long as we stay up in here, there's still lots of room to stay up in here. Okay, so let's not get it twisted. This is still very, very bullish looking. Okay, going into this weekly candle close, and I would say as long as we don't, come down to 89,000 today, which is not impossible by Bitcoin's terms, but it's still quite a big drop, 6%. I don't know if we do that. Okay, so keep that in mind. This is still bullish. Very bullish pattern. 3 white soldiers, continuation pattern. Okay, so whatever you want to call it. 3 musketeers, 3 whatever. 3 yellow soldiers, 3 whatever. Don't be racist. Okay, 3-day. Let's look at the 3-day because the 3-day is always kind of gives us it's a Fibonacci number. It's very good for long-term predictions here. And we are flashing a little bit of a red dot. Now, this isn't confirmed until Tuesday, okay? We have 1 day and 9 hours. So we won't have a confirmation on this until Tuesday. What about the 5 days? Is the 5-day closer? Nope. The 4-day closer? Nope. Okay, so Tuesday. So we still have quite a bit of work to put in here for the 3-day. And, retesting back down to 94,000, it says here, is quite possible, okay? Quite possible. That would still be healthy. We would still be pushing up here, just a little correction and continuation, okay? Doesn't mean we're not going to do some sort of oscillation within here, okay? We could be just doing, whoop, back down, whoop, over here, whoop, back down, right? And we could be doing something like this before we go, okay? It's very, very, very possible, stalling out at the top before we push through. Now, CME has closed above 100,000. So has Coinbase. They just want to do that for the press, right? But Bybit has not. The high of this candle is absolutely 99,690. 6090. They're still always playing 69 games. It's Bitcoin price action. And if you don't know what I'm looking at right now, you look at the top of your screen. You hover over the candle. Look up here, right? You see that's the high, right? You see there? 99,690 for the Bybit chart, okay? 99,690. Will we go any higher? We'll see. We'll see. Okay? Now let's get into it. The daily, baby. The daily with the bearish divergence. The bearish divergence always going to crush our hearts. We knew it was always going to crush our hearts. The bearish divergence. Will it continue to push down? And for me, yeah, we're overextended. Obviously, this is a bull run. Okay? Corrections typically happen in January, not November. What's going on, right? And if we look at our monthly, our monthly candle is an absolute rocket ship. It is all the way up 36% on our monthly candle. Let's get a hoya in the chat for that monthly candle. I don't know what to ask you guys for. I'm just, it's Sunday, baby. We having fun. Okay, we having fun. Nonetheless, that's why we're here. Looks like Injective is rolling over. We are long on Injective. Look at this thing. What an ugly little duckling. Oh man. We're in trouble. We're in trouble. That's all right. Good risk management will lead to profits, as we know. As we all know. Look at all these new people coming in here. Thank you guys for being here. Make sure you guys say good morning. It is Sunday. It is the day where we all get to be grateful, okay? We get to be grateful that we get the opportunity to click buy and sell and make lots of money, okay? That's what it's all about. So looking at this here, rolling over bearish divergence. Money isn't coming up, but VWAP is resetting, okay? And anytime VWAP does reset, you can see in this bull run oscillating above the zero line, very bullish, okay? Momentum waves, money ramping to the upside, okay? But the opportunities reside in the VWAP, okay? The VWAP is going to oscillate quite quickly. Therefore, front running, look at this, front running the green dots, okay? You draw your vertical, you draw your vertical, you draw your vertical. And look, it comes before the green dot, before the green dot, before the green dot, okay? The bottom of the VWAP front runs the green dot, which allows you to get in a little bit earlier, right? And if we look at that, what happened on the charts, okay, and we go over here, well, pretty good buying opportunity, pretty good buying opportunity, pretty good buying opportunity, okay? I sound like a parrot this morning, but you're just trying to keep it real with you guys of what is going on right now. And as we proceed to give you what you need, we just really understand that we are in an uptrend, so any sort of retest and reset is a pretty good buying opportunity, okay? So we watch that, okay? We watch that. And look for the opportunity, right? This is the daily. It's hard in an environment like this where we have created a lot of liquidity and we are in up-only mode to favor the daily in anything, but we need to be aware when we get overextended where we can be looking for this sort of divergence where it can typically, where did this peak start? So we're typically looking for a correction down to 85 if we are going to correct right now. That's if. Okay, Retro Mike Tech with the 5 Alexo Crypto memberships. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, my man. Retro Mike Tech, man. When Cass gonna go to 0? Mad love to you, RMT. Let's see some RMTs in the chat. In the place to be, my man, RMT, man. God bless you, bro. Happy Thanksgiving. Welcome to the Otter Gang. Peanut, Albino, Rhino, D-Mac, and French Toaster. Bonjour. Okay? Thank you so much, Retro Mike Tech. I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate you, man. Okay? It's a little corrective. We'll see. You know what we say about the bearish divergence. Typically, back to where they start, right? I think someone thanked me for that in the Discord the other day. They're like, Alexo Crypto allowed me to get long on this token because he said, remember, bearish reach, I don't know. But you always look, bearish divergence, you look at where it started right here, right? So you always get your bear div. This is your first peak coming down. This is where you look to return to, right? At least minimum. So I would say, 85 is very much on the table, shaking out everybody, getting them all puckered and scared. We're going to 0 right over the holidays, right? Too much turkey for you, the tryptophan, and making you tired. Okay, so going into our 12-hour, this is where we can start, really to digest this a little bit. So bearish divergence, VWAP resetting, money not coming out, which is interesting. Money is still remaining relatively flat, and this thing can curve back up, right? So we're going to pull some key levels within this area and look to see if we can take advantage of those areas, okay? Right now, obviously, you would like to be short, but you're not, so it's okay. I know you're not short. Let me put a 1 in the chat if you're short. Let me know. I'm naturally short. I'm 5'4", so there we go. But let me know if you're one of those short kings in the chat or short queens. So now is where we can. Pardon me. Now is where we can really look to take advantage of this retracement. Okay, it's still a retracement. I see some short kings, Albino Rhino, John Dock, Jacob Dorton. Shout out to you guys, you short kings. I love you guys, man. Short power. As long as you're not one of those like angry short people, you can't be angry because you're short. I used to be one of those like in my early 20s. I felt, every short person I think goes through a little bit of a short rage. right? But that's just normal. That's life. That's life. You guys are short though. Good job, man. Good job. Congrats on your gains. Congrats on your gains. Hopefully it plays out. But be happy. Be happy. Be kind. You know, you can't be one of those what's the syndrome? Small person syndrome. You can't be one of those guys. That's not acceptable, man. That's not acceptable. You know, that's okay. You can reach the lower shelves better and they can reach the higher shelves better. It's a fair game. Plus, you have less back problems, okay? Okay, so we have our 8-hour candle has just printed in front of our eyes. Look at that. So we're going to check our 4-hour as well. And this VWAP is coming down. Obviously, a very bearish candle here. Money flow has flattened a bit. Okay, so look at this. Flattening versus down, right? So we can see in between these two lines that you see on my screen here is what we just printed. Okay, so down, flattening here. So can we get a bounce? We'll have to see. We'll have to see, but obviously looking very corrective. Now, the 4-hour is going to be printing as well because the 4 and the 8 work together, right? We know that, right? I don't have to tell you that. So looking here, we have all of our areas of which we can look for price to return to. So we have a very high order block in here, right around 94,000. Let's put on our areas and let's mark out some key areas together. Okay, so we're coming into an order block / liquidity zone right now as we speak. I'm going to expand this a little bit here and make this another big box in here and change this to order block just so that we are aware of this area. And then we have a liquidity buy zone within this area as well. So you may want to add these areas to your charts, but it's pretty dang obvious, right? Now, as price goes into these areas, we always talk about a reaction of price on this channel. So if price is going to come into an area, okay, we have an area and price is coming down into this area, what are we looking for? We're looking for a number of things within these areas that we can take advantage of, okay? It's very important that we're looking to take advantage of these areas. Now, we currently are in one. Doesn't mean we're just going to press buy, okay? Buy is not just going to work in these areas. We want to see some sort of retracement, some sort of reaction, right? We want to see the reaction, right? Like, you know, when you show up at Thanksgiving and, you know, Auntie Welma has put on 80 pounds, you have a reaction, right? You're just like, whoa. So you gotta wait for the whoa, okay? You gotta be holy shit, right? Man, that's a huge. No, I'm joking, okay? But you gotta wait for that reaction. So as price comes into these areas, right, you want to see like triple bottom, you want to see a double bottom, you want to see a liquidity grab bounce, you want to see a break of structure continuation, okay? You want to see something here where the price says, hey man, I'm done going this way and I want to go this way. Okay, that's what you want to see. And you'll be able to catch these as long as you practice, right? And it's not easy. It's not easy. It's not meant to be easy. We had a little reaction up here, but holy crap, that's one giant possum. That got me good, man. It's Sunday, baby. We talking a bunch of shit. Because we having fun, man. We having fun, right? So Godzilla. But yeah, you know, your cousin, she used to be cute, and then she, you know, I don't know, maybe she had like a bad, like she got some fake boobs that went wrong, and then her left boob is up on her shoulder or something. I don't know. A reaction. You're getting reaction, okay? Let's not go too far down the rabbit hole this morning. But you want to see a reaction, right? You want to see a break of structure. You want to see a liquidity grab, right? You're not just going to press buy here, right? So if we can zoom into these areas, you can add all these areas all you want, but unless you know how to trade it, you're not going to be able to make money out of it. That's what I'm trying to get at, okay? Because you're going to get in, you're going to get wrecked, and your feelings are going to get hurt, and you're going to cry, right? Because you're going to lose all your money. Mark Dutch with the... You say boobs, Mark Dutch just shows up out of the woodwork with the wood. You see what I did there? Man, this is sloppy. I got to fix all this once I leave, and I will be posting all my charts in the Discord after this. And if you do want to get in, December 1st, last time you'll ever see prices like this in our Discord. I mean, it's $15 a month. We have an amazing, amazing group there, but it's basically like it's too cheap. It's too cheap. Okay. So looking for the reaction here. Let's continue through all of this stuff in here. Okay. So what do we have here? We have money coming out here. We have a anchor wave, right? So typically what we're looking for is anchor, trigger wave, continuation out. Okay. Any oscillation though below the zero line in an uptrend, any oscillation below the zero line in an uptrend, okay, is typically a great time to buy. Typically. Okay. Typically. Now this is a bull run. I don't care what you say. Look at XRP. Don't tell me this isn't a bull run. Go look at XRP or whatever, Stellar or whatever shitcoin you want to look at. It's a bull run. Okay, there's a rotation going on. Bitcoin goes flat, altcoins pump, yada, yada, yada. You guys should know what I'm talking about. If you don't, come and hang out more. We'll go over that. But right now, any oscillation below the zero line with overextended VWAP is a possible buying opportunity. Okay, so we know this. So we want to take advantage of this. We want to wait for confirmation. How do we get confirmation on this? We go to lower term time frames, okay? We can see that we are holding the zero line on stochastics too, which is very bullish in my opinion as well, okay? And if this thing starts to turn like this and this one comes down here, we know that this one will snap up to our stochastics. Very good strategy. If you know how to use it, you see here, snaps back up to reality, snaps back up to reality. Okay, snaps back up to reality. Okay, very, very good little strategy. If you know how to use that stochastics on Market Cipher, it's actually very, very good. Okay, going into our 3. Okay, same thing as our 4, but curving up on our VWAP, right? This is what we want to see, curving up on our VWAP. Okay, nice posturing. 2, double bottom. Okay, so for this, right, what is this telling me? If I'm forecasting something here, this is telling me that I'm looking for an inverse head and shoulders, right? I'm looking for this. Right? We got 1, we got 2. I'm looking for the anchor, trigger wave, continuation. Right? So no trade yet. Right? Patience will prevail. So maybe this will go like this, and that's fine if you get in here, but you have confirmation of the move. Okay? Money coming out. Concerning. But look at the stochastics. Okay, remember I said stochastics is powerful. Stochastics is the one that changes from red to green, okay? The purple one's the RSI. If the stochastics is up here, the RSI will snap to stochastics, okay? You can see here, the RSI will snap to stochastics, okay? The RSI will snap to the stochastics, okay? It's just back test it. It's good. It's good, okay? So holding the zero line on the RSI and stochastics means continuation of a bull trend. Look at this all throughout here. This is on the two-hour time frame too. So that's hyper bullish because typically these reset quite aggressively like this. Okay, so opportunity. Are we pumping right now? It looks like we're pumping. Oh my God, it's moved $2. What's going on, everybody? Thank you, everybody, for being here. 250 people in here. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. Happy Turkey Day. I know it's a little bit of a different stream. We'll be live tomorrow morning trading the charts. Make sure you say good morning. 250 people in here. And join us over in the Discord. I mean, amazing. Black Friday sale till December 1st, okay? Till December 1st, where you get a whole bunch of utterly degenerate, crazy, amazing traders. $15 a month. Last opportunity. Prices are going up in December 1st. Okay? I've said this a million times. Come over, hang out, get the membership. Okay? You get 4 traders, you get group calls, you get beautiful, beautiful trade setups, you get everything. And that's my show for the Thanksgiving. And if not, thank you for being here. It is Thanksgiving. We will give away 1 free membership today. Okay? 1 free membership today. Okay? We're going to give away 1 free membership today for 3 months. We'll do 3 months, okay? Till the new year. So we'll give 3 months away today. That's what we'll do. All you have to do is hang out here. We're not going to make you do anything. It's Thanksgiving, man. We're going to do pick a number or something like that. I don't know. We're going to give away memberships, so 3 months. We'll do 3 months because it is Thanksgiving, but I need to sort it, so I'm going to make you comment on a stupid video or something like that. Maybe we go and blow up someone else's channel. We'll see, because it is Thanksgiving. I know what we'll do. Okay, so we're going to go over here. Let me finish Bitcoin, then we're going to do the giveaway, okay? We'll do Bitcoin, then we'll do the giveaway. Sorry. So let me finish up here. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a bounce. We got the double bottom in here. Okay, pushing back here on our VWAP, continuation upwards. Money coming out aggressively. So be cautious here. 1 hour. We can see, oh, what is this? Beautiful, beautiful double bottoms, right? So money's indecisive now. So this is good because we can see that chopping at money here, coming out on the 1 hour is very good because then it can suggest that we come back in, okay? Coming back in on anything like this is very, very good news. And retesting previous highs is also something I'd be looking for, okay? But it looks like we're getting a little bit of a hopium bounce here. And I am currently long on Injective. And I might just close this. I'm looking at it right now as we speak. And I might just close this out, break even. So I haven't decided yet. But for me, beautiful retest coming back in. Looking to bounce up to 35 bucks. Very, very small trade. But I might close this. We'll see. Okay? Just letting you guys know ahead of time. Okay, so downtrend, how are we going to track this? How are we going to trade this? Let's get into it. Okay, so aggressive downtrend. Yeah, first thing I would do right now is I would mark out this. Okay. I would mark out some key areas of interest so we can look for a rejection off of this order block in here. And then we're going to look. So if we do come up and sweep back in here, we can look for a rejection back down. Okay, that's one thing I'll be looking for a potential short. And rolling over here. Now, what resides below us? Okay, so I have a whole bunch of areas that I give to everybody all the time. But we're going to go through it here and how we mark it out. Okay, so we're going to pull volume. Let's go back to Monday right here. So this would be basically Monday. This would be a 2 month volume area, right? So looking at this generally, let's just use common sense while looking at this. I know my big ass head's in the way, but looking at this, okay, we are at the bottom of the area in here. So that means that if we are isolating price, we are below this area right here, okay? So we are losing this area into this area. So what common sense tells me is that we are probably going to retest this value area high. There's some volume in here. This is looking like a nice little target before we continue upwards. So that's a very simple, easy target for us to have, right? So we have our areas that we have marked out on our chart. What are we going to do? Oh, maybe we'll make this one special. We'll make it special. We know this is a big, giant order block, right? So we have a special buy level that we use. Okay, pink for Jonathan Schaefer. If you know, you know. He's just the pink sheriff. We make him wear a pink cowboy hat in our Discord because, you know, he's got to stand out. He's got to stand out, okay? So we make this pink. This would be the be-all, end-all, okay? This is where I'd be looking for an aggressive bounce right around 94,300. Now, we are bouncing off of this order block right now. Will we get that reaction of price? We'll see. So we have all these areas down below us, okay? So for me, I'm always going to specify which ones are going to be very important. Okay, you can see that they're all white right now. So how do we separate them? We change the damn color. Okay, so this one right here, this is going to retest of the previous high volume node in here. Okay, I would lower this one just a little bit, just into this volume shelf right here. Okay, that's going to be numero uno. Okay, numero dos. Okay, this one right here is going to go red as well. You can see that. That's barrier to entry into higher prices. Okay, very, very simple. And we are now in no man's land where there is very little volume. Therefore, price can move very sporadically between this area. Okay, there's no volume in this area. So price can do the shimmy, 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 whichever way it damn pleases, because there's nothing really here to bang its head off of. Okay, we also know that this is the point of control. So we'll mark that out locally. Okay, why isn't it letting me write? Okay, point of control. And then we know that this is the point of control of the entire range down in here. So we're going to mark out that as well. Okay. Now these are all areas of interest. Now it looks a little bit messy, but you take some of these off, you flash them on and off, right? You can see that this becomes very, very useful now. Okay. So now we have our key areas, our key levels, and we're waiting for price to do something. React, right? React. That's what we talked about from before. And that's how I will look to trade it. Okay. Okay, so right now, aggressive downtrend, trying to bounce, no bounce. Going into the 15-minute, what do we see? Okay, big rollover Wu-Tang Clan pattern. This is the Tony Soprano Wu-Tang Clan inverse. Wu-Tang, Jesus take the wheel, right? We got the Wu-Tang, right? My drawing skills are off today. There's your Wu-Tang Clan pattern. Okay, it typically works in the opposite direction, but right now this is continuation back up. Look at the money though. Look at the money, follow the money, right? So money is coming down. So we're looking for a bounce here, right? This is a higher low with a lower low, so bullish divergence. We also had one of those last night, okay, right here, a bullish divergence in here. And we got, I believe it was right here, and we got the nice bounce, okay? We had the nice bounce out, right? We bounced, and then now we have rolled over, okay? So right now, patience, right? Patience, patience, patience. Let's zoom in a little bit for you guys, okay? If I was trading this and scalping this right now, you guys know me. I would have my VWAP on. Okay, target, right? I would watch my volume. We're going to push, push, push. Aggressive buy up. Okay, so we do have an aggressive buying coming in here. So this is strengths back up. We do know that we are in a key area, right? We're in a key area. Okay, where is our key levels? Okay, so we're looking to flip 96,700 back up to the VWAP, okay? So what are we looking for in here? We're looking for a higher low. Bring me a high. Okay, so a higher low, continuation, that's what we're looking for in here. Will we get it? We have support down below us. We are in a big order block. So we're looking for some sort of continuation strength in here. No trade until we see the reaction on price. We know if we get long, we're probably going to do okay. Okay, but we don't want to be a victim to this shit and to this shit because it's going to wreck you. Okay, make sure you guys are using good risk management. This is still 1% move from the low here to the high here. So for me right now, a little bit of patience. You know, let grandma stir the gravy, all that stuff, stuff the turkey, whatever she's up to in the kitchen there. Let her do that. You know, set some alerts. Maybe you look for a break of structure. You mark out your highs, stuff like that. And we hopefully can make some good decisions this weekend, okay? You want to be safe, not sorry, in the US of A. Happy Thanksgiving to every single one of you guys. Now we're going to do the giveaway. So you have the ideas for Bitcoin. I'd be patient right now. I'd be patient. I'd let this thing bake. I am in the injective trade, pretty much break even right now. Okay, this was given in the Discord, and we'll see how it goes. I might close it. I might not. I have very, very little risk on this. I'm risking it's 100 to make 300. It's a very, very small trade, my friends, okay? And I can add to this if I would like, okay, if I see some good confirmations, but very, very small trade, okay? It's just some weekend fun. If I'm given the signal, I gotta participate. That's the kind of trade it is, okay? So we'll see if it does pump up, okay? And I'll be looking to take this thing up to $35. It is a secondary Kyle trade. So Kyle in our Discord did give, I mean, this guy's been flame throwing. This is the last plug for the membership, okay? Maybe, we'll see. But $15 a month, and you get, I mean, Kyle just spoon feeds you guys, okay? Injective, dot target, boom, hit. My God. If you look at what this kid has done, he's not a kid, he's a man. If you look what Kyle has done to dot, you know, I can't explain it, okay? Kyle has given you dot from here, here, and here. Everybody who's in the Discord say, Kyle's the man. Kyle gave you 15% down here. Kyle gave you 65% from down here. I mean, everybody knows Kyle's the man, okay? We all understand it. We love you, Kyle. But look at these two trades he's giving you guys on dot. Unbelievable. So come over and hang out. You'll make, if you can't make $15, I mean, you should probably go back to Walmart and push some carts and then come back and pay your $15, and then, you know, we can help you become a profitable trader. It's always my goal to help you guys become profitable. So let's go and raid someone else's channel, and then we're going to do a giveaway. So for me, I would really, really appreciate if you guys would go over here. And I don't even know what I'm looking at here, but where's does anybody have Billy Goat Tails? Billy Goat Tails. Okay, these guys are friends of the channel. Where's Billy Goat Tails? Where's their, why isn't their channel popping up? Why isn't Billy Goat Tails popping up? Billy Goat Tails. Crypto? Here we go. No. Is this them? It says they got 113,000 subscribers. Does anybody have the channel? Is this, am I wrong? 15 videos? Do they got 113,000 subscribers? We're trying to do a giveaway here. Anybody got Billy Goat Tails? Yeah, that was some bullshit over there. That was some bullshit over there. Okay, so we're going to go in and raid one of their videos. Let's go to their most... Let's go to which video should we go to? Let's go here. We love you, Billy. We're gonna raid this video with Otter. All right, so you're gonna go over to this video and you're gonna put Otter Gain, Givers Gain. Okay, we're gonna give away 2 free memberships. 2 free memberships. Here's the link. Otter Gain, Givers Gain. Okay, this is all you got to do. You can copy and paste it. Otter Gang Givers Gain. Otter Gang Givers Gain. And subscribe, please. Subscribe to. If you're not subscribed, it's not cool, man. And we're gonna give away 2 memberships to the Discord. 3 months memberships. Okay. And if you're already a member, we'll give you whatever. 25 USDT. Maybe 50. We'll do 50. 50 USDT. If you're already a member, you'll get 50 USDT. And I'll send that to you as well, to your TRC address. So go over here, subscribe. You got your channel. And then we're going to have to go to comment picker. Okay, comment picker. Comment picker. Here we go. Otter Gain, Givers Gain. Okay. Filter duplicate users. Show random names. We're going to go 20 seconds. That's it. Otter Gang Givers Gang. Givers Gain. Otter Gang Givers Gain. Okay, it's hard to say sometimes. Do we get to filter comments? No. Okay, we're good here. I'm gonna put that over here. Otter Gang Givers Gain. Yeah, go over to here, subscribe to Billy Goat Tails family. And we're gonna give away 2 memberships. Otter Gang Givers Gain. It's hard to say that, man. I fucking tongue-tied myself, man. You just got to go over there, type that in. We're going to give away 2 memberships, okay? And then we're going to go through the altcoins. We got a list up top: VeChain, Injective, Say, Ron, JTO, Hex, East, Tia, Jasmy. And we're going to fly through that, okay? We're going to fly through that, and then I'm going to go and hang out with my family because it's Sunday, baby. It's Sunday, okay? What's 5 + 6? Otters Gang. Get the YouTube comments. If you're late, too bad. Sucks to be you. Okay, and we're Otter Gang Givers Gain, baby. Go over to that, comment. Otter Gang Givers Gain, baby. Make sure you subscribe to Billy Goat Tails, man. They are family. We love them over at the Goat Coop. I don't know what to call them, the Goat Coop. Oh, man. Otter Gang Givers Gain. If you spell it wrong, why isn't it populating? Hello? Oh, here we go. All right. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Otter Gang, Givers Gain. Pump up that channel. Come on, man. These guys are so kind, so helpful. They've helped me on my journey. They're always supporting the channel, always supporting other good creators, man. Tuesday nights, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Rico Crypto. GG, Rico Crypto. I'm going to put that in the Discord. Congratulations to Rico. Rico Crypto, man. 3 months membership for you. I'm going to put that in Otter Talk just so that it's apparent who won 3 months. All you have to do is go over here. Okay, take a screenshot. Take a screenshot of your Rico Crypto on YouTube. Send it to me. There's me. Click me. Message me. And I will get you in. Okay? Just come over here in the Discord. Congratulations, Rico Crypto. Okay, we're going to go again. One more. One more, man. One more. Let's go over here. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Thank you guys for supporting me, supporting Billy. Man, go and subscribe to Givers Game. We got to get them at least 170, man. 170.
Hey guys, welcome
almost
to Billy
200.
Goat
Let's go. One more.
This is Crypto
One more
Billy and
subscriber, guys. You can get in. One more subscriber, guys. We got them at 199. These guys are great people, man. I would never shill you guys. Look at this guy's hair, man. This guy is such a... He sings Elvis, baby. In the ghetto. In the ghetto. Okay? I love Billy, man. I love Billy. Let's get back over to here. Okay? We're gonna... For all you latecomers, we're gonna populate the vote again. Okay? What's 7 plus 5? Is that 12? Let's get those comments again. We got one more winner. We're getting those comments. It's populating. It's populating. Okay, are you ready? Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Crypto Zen, you've already won. You've already won. Crypto Zen, haven't you already won? Congratulations, Crypto Zen, man. Otter Gang, Givers Gain, baby. Let's go. Everybody's so sad. Everybody doesn't want you to win. You know what to do, man. You know what to do. Coming over here, what did you say? Givers Gain, Trade Fly. What's going on, man? Did we get them to 200 subscribers, man? Please tell me we got them to 200 subscribers. 200.
Hey guys, welcome
Let's
to Billy
go,
Goat.
baby. Let's go. The gang came through for the Billy Goat Tales, man. God bless. God bless. Happy Thanksgiving to our family over there at Billy Goat Tales, man. Amazing. 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 Thank you so much. Trade Flies in the chat. My man. What's going on, brother? Where's this Crypto Zen guy? He's always winning, man. Pass it, bro. I got 5 months left. Look at that. That's Givers Gain, man. We're getting another one. Pass it on, Crypto Zen, man. God bless you. Everybody, let's put some Zen in the chat. That is Zen AF, man. Thank you, Zen. We're going to go and roll again. If you're not over there, make sure we're going to roll again. Crypto Zen's giving it away, man. That's Giver's Game, baby. Crypto Zen, God bless you, bro. Otters Gang. We're going to do some math again. What's 5 plus 8? I think it's 13. Let's get some comments, baby. Let's go. Make sure you are over there. Subscribe to Billy Goat Tales and putting Otter Gang, Givers Gain, baby. Let's go. Happy Thanksgiving to every single one of you guys. Mad love to you guys. Let's roll it, baby. Let's roll it. Boom, 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 boom. Congratulations, Empt 4138. Empt EMMT. It's in the game. Let's go. Empt. Congratulations. Come over to the Discord. Claim your reward. Claim your reward. BTC pumping. BTC pumping. Congratulations, EMMT4138. Come over to the Discord. Get your free 3-month membership. I will get you guys in here. Make sure you guys are saying, hey, man, I'm here to claim. Show me your beautiful, beautiful picture of your YouTube, and hopefully we can get you into the Discord for 3 months free, man. Congratulations. Congratulations. And to those who didn't win, you know, we're going to give more giveaways. Christmas is on the way. It is Thanksgiving. It is Thanksgiving. And you know what? We're going to do one more. We're going to do one more for you guys. One more for you guys. That's it. That's it. You guys are pushing me. You guys are pushing me. You guys got Billy to 200 plus subscribers. Okay? You guys have all commented on here. We're going to do one more. We're going to do one more. Hey 204 subscribers. Amazing, amazing. Billy Goat Tales. Look at all the comments. Otter Gang. Givers Game, baby. One more time. Can we see who's going to win? Let's start it up. Last one. I'm just a bachelor, beautiful, looking for a partner, so who blows out a plot, without even falling down. Beautiful, be compatible to push me to my limits. Boom, boom, lot more crypto, my man. I think he's already a member. Lot more crypto. You can claim your $50 USDT, or you can get a free membership to Alex O Crypto's Discord. Congratulations. Let's go. Lotmo Crypto. Okay. You guys are going to make me poor now, okay? You're going to make me poor now. Oh, man, congratulations to everybody who won. Bitcoin pumping up. Pumping up. Let's go, Bitcoin. We got to show up for grandma. Push and dump, push and dump, push and dump. We'll see. Remember, we said we're waiting for that trigger wave, right? So a little bit of patience here will prevail. Remember what we said, higher high. We got our higher high. Now we're looking for a higher low continuation. Okay, anchor trigger wave. Let's go to the moon, Bitcoin. Okay, we got to pump it to 100K for grandma. Congratulations to Lot Mo Crypto. Mad love to you, man. Mad love to you. Look at all these guys. Look at all these guys. Winner, chicken dinner. Lotmo Crypto. GG. Is he in here? Lotmo Crypto. I don't see you claiming it. Jean Marc. Welcome to the Baby Otters. 9 months here. Caffeinated Crypto. Mad love to you guys. Thank you guys for, supporting Billy Goat Tales, man. Rozelle versus Alex O Crypto. But you're still not ready for the 4 elements. Earth. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. You won, Lotmo Crypto. Oh man, too much fun. Too much fun. Okay, now let's go through some altcoins, man. Anyway, you can let me pay for membership through crypto. I can't use Visa nor PayPal. We do not have that. We do not have a USDT or whatever crypto payment system. I am looking to possibly look to looking to make it like an NFT or something you can buy with crypto, but that's down the road, man. That's down the road. So no way of paying with crypto right now. It's dodgy for the books, right? Like we just want to have the books clean as can be. So there is no way to pay with crypto as of yet. Eventually, we will definitely be looking to do that. Congratulations, Lotmo Crypto. I believe you're already a member, man. So you get $50 USDT. Just message me in the Discord, man. Congratulations on all of you guys. And thank you guys so much for supporting a fellow content creator, one of our good friends over here, Billy Goat Tales, man. Thank you guys for blowing this ish up, man. Make sure that you do check them out. Tuesday nights, 9 p.m.
Hey guys,
Eastern
welcome
Standard
to Billy
Time.
Goat Tales.
Over 200 subscribers, man. That is incredible. Mad love for you guys. Good job. Thank you guys for being the gang, the Otter Gang. Let's see some otters in the chat. And let's get into your altcoins. We got VeChain, Injective, Say. What else do we got? VeChain, Injective, Say. Ron, JTO, Hex, ETH, Dot, and Jasmine, and maybe a couple of specials at the end, but those who showed up early and got the goods, okay? So we're going to go through that list really quickly and see what we got here. We're looking for the bounce on Bitcoin. We are currently in an injective long. If you're not aware of it, we are long on injective, looking for this thing to pop off to about $35. We'll see if we do get this trade a 31% gainer, okay? So we are in this trade right now as we speak. We are in a very small smidgen of profits, okay? So this is the injective on the list. That's what we're looking for. Continuation, breakout, retest, continuation. We'll see if we do get it. Looking like if Bitcoin does pop back up, we could get this move on injective. We'll have to wait and see. Okay, let's go over to VChain. No, I do not want KuCoin on there. VChain. Where's VET? VET. We'll go and look at a VET chart on Binance. Okay, VET, pushing up, continuation here. So looking for any of these tokens, right? Some of them have absolutely ripped and come up to, new key areas, right? So we're going to have to go and break down these key areas on where they're going and where they could be potentially retracing back to. So that's what I'm going to try and do my best for you guys and find some key levels within here. Now, don't take this as biblical. Like we do know that these things are very volatile. They're altcoins. They are risky. This is never financial advice. It's just here to, to kind of inspire you to be a better trader, and hopefully we can find those key levels for you. Zooming in here, 4 hour, a little overextended, right? We are seeing a pushback on Bitcoin Daddy, so we'll see if we do get this. But anytime we do have an aggressive breakout, my first idea is always to look back to previous highs, okay? Always to go, hey, man, we broke out. We're going to go and revisit grandma, right? We're going to go get some more cookies, and then we're going to go and possibly continue. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that's exactly where we're going. Right now, you can see we're coming back and filling in this order block within here, which is a nice bounce. Let's go impulse move on our Fibonacci, all the way up to our high here. We can see we're getting a nice 0.5 bounce. I would be well aware that we could come back down to our golden pocket within here. So this would be a very key area that I am looking to target if we do bounce. Okay, so keep your eye on the prize. Right now, you are getting some support. This is obviously another area that you're interested in, but you got to wait and see if you do get this is liquidity now, so we're looking for bounces off of here and continuation back up. Now watch for this, okay? If you do bounce up here, you could be just retesting previous lows and then continuing back down. So that is very much on the table right now. Unless Bitcoin decides to go on a ripper, then you're looking for continuation out of here, higher high, higher low, jump on the bandwagon and ride this puppy to the moon, okay? But these are my key areas. I'd be looking for this 3.7 area, right in here, or this area to hold right here. But if all else fails, you're coming back down to test that 3.5 cents. Okay, so there's some key areas for VChain. Now let's go over to the next one. We're trying to get through these so we're not wasting everybody's time. We just did injective. You guys know what I'm thinking there. Let's go over to SEI. SEI seems to be doing okay. This morning, I was looking at it myself, and it pushed up. Now it has come back down, okay? Coming perfectly into one of our key levels. So it goes to show you that levels do work, okay? Support and resistance. Very simple, but very effective, okay? You just got to know how to trade them, therefore allowing yourself to manage risk and be profitable all at the same time, okay? Let me take a look at the chat. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for being here. 250 people in here. Mad love. Okay, so let's keep cooking here so we can see big move up for SEI. We know that SEI moved very similarly to SUI. Look at this beautiful push up, almost 85% in this beautiful ascending sort of channel here. So if we're looking at channels, discovery channel, get a regression trend tool. That will help you the most. And you can see this channel in here. So if we do get acceptance back into the median of the range, that would be in here. We would look for a retest back in here. Let's just draw the median, right? Or we're looking for a breakout retest continuation, which would be just these highs in here and breaking out. Okay, so it's very important to understand where we're at, right? Continuing to push up, aggressive move out, looking to continue onwards and upwards. Now, this is one of the better tokens today. Look, everything else is red and SEI is green. So there's clearly some buyers coming in here, right? So how do you get on to a very nice uptrend? 15-minute here. Okay. I would look here, previous previous highs, okay? Rejection there, continuation here. Very aggressive uptrend, okay, coming into here. Let's go from low to high all the way through. Uptrend here. Coming back to these highs here. So flipping this to support would be ideal. So for isolating price within this area, flipping this to support, you can see, let's bring this up now, all the way, this one up here to this point of control. So I would look for this to hold. Let's pull a fib from swing low to swing high. Yeah, so you would be looking generally just below here, golden pocket, bounce level. So that's where I'd be looking for a reaction in price. So if we lose this uptrend, which is quite possible, right? I would look for a bounce and then a continuation out, something along those lines. And this would be my ideal area from here up, okay? 55 cents, looking strong. Now let's zoom out just a little bit so we can see if you are going to fall back down, where's the support within this area here? Yeah, and you're looking at this big shelf here at 52 cents, okay? And that would be the ideal area for you to come back down if this does start to roll over, okay? That 52 cents, median of the range, right in here, okay? So that's what another area that I'd be looking for a potential bounce as well on SEI. It's in the game. Anytime there's three letters, you got to say it's in the game after, right? EA Sports, right? I can't help myself. It's just how I roll. Too much NHL 98 when I was a kid with the wraparound goals. If you know, you know. Okay, we got 260 people in here. Thank you all for being here, subscribing to Billy Goat Tail, supporting other creators. Thank you for supporting me. If you do want to take your trading a little bit further, Black Friday sale, baby. Black Friday sale, $15 a month. Last time you'll ever see prices like this in our Discord, okay? Discord is getting too big. We're raising prices, okay? It's just how it's getting. I want this to be focused to the people who care about trading. And right now we're growing quite rapidly, so I've lowered I'm giving the lowest price ever till December 1st, and then then it's going up because we don't want that many people in here. We want to be able to serve everybody for what they're paying for, right? And I mean, if you can't make $15 a month in our Discord, then like I say, go back to pushing shopping carts at Walmart, then join. Happy Thanksgiving to the American peoples. Piano Matty B, my man. Piano Matty B, guys. If you want the most legendary Canadian in all of crypto, Piano Matty B, am I going to see you at Bitcoin 2025, man? Are you coming down to Vegas? I booked my ticket, man. I better see you, bro. We're going to do a boom, boom, do it. Boom, 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 boom. Right? And we'll have lots of fun, man. Go and check out PMB. Amazing. I haven't been able to get to your lives lately, man. Look at this. I haven't been 2 weeks, man. I haven't been showing up for you, man. I'm sorry about that. At least I'm honest, man. Some people are like, man, go check this guy out. I watch him all the time. I'm typically very punctual with PMB, at least on the weekends. Look, always hitting the weekend. Piano bars. I'm always hitting those up, man. But man, go check out Piano Matty B. Amazing person, amazing creator. Love you, bro, man. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful weekend here in the cold, cold Canada, man. It's -2, and we're surviving in our igloos, aren't we? Mad love to you, PMB. Hopefully, you're having a great day, man. A great day, man. God bless you and your family. Happy Thanksgiving, even though we're not Thanksgiving it. It's snowing there. Yeah, man. I saw the prairies get a dumping yesterday. Pretty wild, man. It's lukewarm here, -2 in Ontario. So we're doing all right. But you are in the winter of pegs, my man. Oh, man. Okay, let's go over and take a look at Ron. I told you guys no ish coins at the beginning. Is Ron an ish coin? No, I guess not. Thank you for... I don't know what this is from, but Ron, let me look at this thing on the daily. How shit coin is this? Is this shit PMB? Is this qualified as a shit coin? I think so. I would say so. Okay, this is your major target, $2 here, and I'm sure the problem is things like this will run. Okay, will run. Okay, so we see an accumulation down in here. 1, 2, 3, inverse head and shoulders. Okay, you can see. I don't like them when they're tilted the wrong way. But you can see this is an inverse head and shoulders. I would like this thing to be tilted this way, right? This is better for uptrends. This is downwards. Breakout, retest, continuation, okay? Coming for these highs. Very simple. Keep it simple. Stupid, as they say, okay? Let's pull volume within these areas. Take a look here. Yeah, big, chunky volume, right? So typically you're looking at, if you're going to retest, this was it, right? You have this shelf down here. Then your breakout level is right here. And then it's very, very chunky all the way back up, okay? Until you get, this is kind of nasty. So with Ron, you're just Ronald McDonalding it, man. Looking for some continuation, low leverage, maybe 2x leverage or something like that. And looking for this thing to go back up to its highs. But, keeping it simple, anchor, trigger wave, continuation. I mean, everything that's ugly is going to run right now. So inverse head and shoulders, big play, all the way up to, your big level is $2.50. So that's where I'd be targeting more of a swing trade or a possible spot buy. Okay, but a nice move out here. Okay, a lot of things have had a nice move out. So I would look for continuation, right? Just protecting yourself below this wick down here and giving yourself a chance on Ron. Okay, Ronald McDonald, man. No, Ronin is an amazing company. Okay, you're lucky to get snow in the UK. I remember when I lived in the UK, Piano Matty B, and they got snow, and they don't have anything, man. They don't have plows, they don't got snow tires, and there's this one guy trying to get up his driveway. You get like halfway, and then roll back down, and then halfway, then slide back down, and I'm just sitting there, and I'm like, if you put your car in reverse and you reverse up there and get some kitty litter, and you put the kitty litter on the driveway, you'd be all right. If you know. Kitty litter, you keep kitty litter in the back of your car in case you get stuck in a ditch. Okay, kitty litter works great, man. You get it out and your tire's spinning. You can put the kitty litter underneath the tire. This is Canadian shit, man. This is like as good as it gets. Okay, you put the kitty litter underneath the tire where it's spinning, and eventually it'll get traction, okay? We also put like bags of sand in our trunk to weigh down our car to give it better traction as well. These are just some of the tips in the Canadian land, okay? If you know, okay? But watching the snow in England was absolutely funny, man. These guys, so unprepared, man. It's like the whole country shuts down, man. The whole country shuts down. It was funny, man. But if you know the kitty litter, you know the kitty litter, man. So Ron looking like a breakout, continuation, inverse head and shoulders, trying to push onwards and upwards, man. Let's see if it does go, man. A lot of rotation into altcoins. The Bitcoin dominance go up as let me take a look here. Bitcoin dominance popped up. Okay, so we said we wanted to lose significant lows. We did. We come down to 59%. So this is looking very toppy, but however, we want to see continuation back down to 58% would be my new target now for Bitcoin dominance. Okay, mad love. Kitty litter or maple syrup, man. That's the one. That's called traction. And in Newfoundland, they call it gription. If you don't have grip and you don't have traction, you got no gription. So, I mean, Newfoundland's a whole different story. But we love our Newfies, okay? Don't mess with the Newfoundlanders. Okay, so, yeah, looking for a bounce there. Let's get over and take a look at JTO. JTO in the place to be, Bybit. Let's go over and take a look. Ooh, look at all these support and resistance lines. I love when I come to an old chart that has been done for me. Oh, man, let's shift control this and let's change this all to white. It's too blinded. Now it's really blinded. Okay, so going out on the daily here on the GTO. A lot of you guys like JTO. Okay, so we got a plethora of absolute support and resistance. Now, you know what I'm gonna say forget about it, man. F off. I'm sorry, I didn't mean that like derogatory or anything like that. So coming back in here, we got this area here. That's important. Okay, we're gonna bring this thing back. Okay, now we're gonna go. Oh, there's another support level. There's another support level. There's a resistance level. And if you fall down, you're coming here. Okay, it doesn't need to be that crowded. I typically do that when I'm, my trading style. I scalp and I'm really in and out quickly. So keeping it simple, right? Now, where's the significant level? This must hold. This is your must hold. This is your range. Continuation out. So what are we doing with anything that's ripping like this? I'm typically looking for, parabolic uptrend. So we're looking at this, and we're looking for it to return to this, right? So if anything, and then continuation, right? You have key support, key resistance, and definitely looking to take advantage of this. Now, okay, money's coming in. We are seeing a lot of things push due to this rotation of capital, right? So look at this, a retest of previous highs. This would be like primary buying opportunity if you come back down into here, $3.17. Okay, and you're holding support right now. So support and resistance flip is great as long as you can hold it, right? You got to see it hold and then strength to the upside. Okay, so you're looking for any sort of bottoming structure down at this level in here, right around $3.51. And if you see that bottoming structure, you can look to fire off a potential long. So I'd be definitely looking within those areas for that confluence. And with these things, I mean, look at this move, man, 26% off of here. You don't need to be too risky, right? A nice little 3x leverage trade, 3-to-1 risk to reward, looking to take this puppy all the way back up to maybe 450, right? That would be a beautiful little move here. You got a couple of levels of resistance at $4 and 450. So this thing seems to be respecting the whole numbers and the 50-cent numbers. See, you got to know your product. What are you trading? Okay, $3.50, $3, right? $4, $4.50, right? So looking to take this level to level on the pumps up, but I would look for bottoming structure in here and a continuation onwards and upwards on JTO. Let's go over to Hex. I don't know why you guys are making me look at Hex, but you guys are out here making me look at Hex. So Hex, I mean, don't be trading this, man. Don't be trading this. If you're gonna participate in this complete trash coin that's probably gonna make people a lot of money, then just buy it on spot, please. Okay? Don't trade this. I mean, yeah, don't trade this. All the hexadecimal, whatever you call yourselves. I mean, buy this on spot. Okay, buy this on spot. Don't trade this, man. Yeah, that's disgusting. Don't do that, man. I would never do that to you guys, man. This is your trade setup, okay? Right here, using 3x leverage, and you're using 40 cents, okay? That's what I'd be looking for. Okay. Richard Hart is super trustworthy. Let's go, man. Let's go. Richard Hart, baby. Richard Hart in the place to be. Let's go over and take a look at what else do we got on here? We got Tia ETH. Let's go over to look at ETH, man. ETH is still alive. Can you believe it, man? I sold my ETH right here. I still got about 15 ETH to sell, okay? I've sold my ETH here. Yes, sellers regret, right? I hate taking profit. I hate paying myself for tax purposes. So ETH, ugly double top, in my opinion. Oh, this is ugly. What is Bitcoin doing? Okay, it's creeping its way up. We want to see it reclaim 96, right? You see the resistance? Okay, retesting previous high lows. This is a definite sell area. Okay, this is not where you buy. This is where you sell. If you're going to sell on Bitcoin right now. And you're taking it down to this puppy down here. But obviously uptrend. So be careful. Thanksgiving, you don't want to fade the turkeys, man. You don't want to fade the turkeys. Let's say good afternoon and good morning to people who are late to the stream. Thank you for being here. Drew, good morning. Guilherme Marcal. Good morning, my man. You got to teach me how to say your name properly. Marcal. Buongiorno. Come stai? Redman, Petrus, In My Hero, Massey 33. What's going on, guys? Good morning to you guys. Piano Matty B coming through. Chris Klein, what's going on, bro? Good to see you guys. Happy Turkey Day. God bless every single one of you. Redman in here. Jared, Goldeneye, Van Pilot, what's going on? Crypto Zen, Mohammed, Abdu, what's going on, man? Kuba, Brokey, make sure you guys are saying good morning. Melissa, what's going on? What's going on? Good to see you and miss the party. You're never missing the party. You are the party. Bjorn, Jeffrey Stone Cipher, mad love to you guys. Jonathan Schaefer in the chat. Let's see some knots in the chat for Jonathan Schaefer. Mad love to you, bro. Simpath, good morning. Good morning. Lotmo Crypto with the winner chicken dinner. Make sure you guys are claiming your rewards. We gave away 3 memberships to the Discord. Good morning, and thank you guys for being here. Make sure you come over and hang out in our Discord. We have a Black Friday exclusive. Last chance till December 1st. $15 a month to join our amazing Discord. Okay, it's the last time you'll ever get these prices. I promise you that. Okay, going over to ETH, to the window, to the wall, to the Ethereum. That sucks. You guys know the rest. Okay, so Ethereum breaking out of this. Kyle gave the trade setup from $2,400. We took the long. We made a lot of money. Okay, that was amazing trade setup in our Discord. We took the long right here, just so you know. Very, very beautiful trade. But what do we see here? Double top at a very key level of resistance. Okay, so what are we looking for, really? Probably a retesting continuation. Okay, big move out of here. But this seemed to hold up quite well, that $3,000 level. Okay, we are looking for a rotation into ETH. So what are we looking for? First and foremost, we look at this area. What do I always say? Retest our previous highs, right? So we go in here, we draw out our highs. Oh, look, this would be an area of interest. Now, we can also pull our fib from swing low to swing high. Look, we got a beautiful little golden pocket area in here as well. Let's lower this thing down just a little bit here. Let's pull volume within this range. Okay, so we're going to pull volume, whip this thing over. Oh, look, a nice shelf of volume down below us here, and then a gap in here. But we do have confluence over to the left. If we go left, we look over here on our daily, and we can see. What's up, Moose? Yeah, I'm almost done. My son looks super cute today. Aw, what a cutie. What a cutie patootie. Aw, I got to go spend time with the family soon. Hey, Mom. My mom came to say hello. Look at her. Okay, we got some beautiful support here. Oh, the family's coming through. Now I got the FOMO of spending time with my family. I'm going to get out of here soon. Family is everything. So you guys can join the Otter family, which is our Discord, if you do want to come and hang out with us. So you are finding support in here. I would be looking down 3,200 if you lose this low in here. So this would be obviously a significant low. Okay, so breakdown, you could be looking for this thing to push back and then come back down into here and then bounce. Okay, but that's the area that I would definitely be looking for ETH to bounce off of. Just trying to keep it as simple as possible here. You can see the rollover following Bitcoin quite to the T. You know, if you get a trick here, if you want to trade Ethereum, which some of you guys, hate Ethereum, but you get Bitcoin dominance on here and then you invert the chart and you can see Alt-I. Look at this thing, man. It trades to a T, man. Boop, boop. Invert dominance on your Ethereum charts. Quite a nice, or you go into the dominance and you put Ethereum on it either way, but it's quite a nice little trickery there. So you can, I don't know if you can do it through here. Can you do it through here? I don't know how to do it through there. For all you technical people, ask Jonathan Schaefer. He knows how to do shit like that. Okay, looking for the bounce from here on Ethereum. If this low holds, then you're looking for higher highs and higher lows. Okay, very, very simple. Trying to break back up. Okay, very aggressive downtrend. So with ETH, you're looking for this thing to hold and break out. Okay, bottoming structure within this area. Okay, let's see what else do we have in here. Popping out this chat. Why did my chat not pop out? Popping this thing out again. What do we got? We got Tia, Dot, and Jasmine. What's family? Tia, Dot, and Jasmine. Okay, let's go and take a look at Tia, Dot, and Jasmine for you guys. So Celestia popping off the other day. Absolute ripper. Thesis gave the Celestia trade from down here. Another Discord plug, man. It's too easy, man. You guys are just, oh my God. Look at this. He's making money, baby. Look at this. Swing trade from $5.20. Oh my God. The long from $5.20. Oh my God. Thesis crushing it. What an amazing, amazing trade. Celestia on a ripper to the upside. Now, trading Celestia is difficult, okay? It is very volatile, and it does move sporadically, right? So you're looking for pullbacks, but you got to give yourself enough room with this thing, right? Because it's so choppy. So be very cautious here. Coming up to a very key level of resistance, breaking out of this massive accumulation down at the bottom. We were buying down here, looking for us to come back above this $8.30 level, okay? For now, though, this massive breakout, what are we going to look at? We're going to look at the highs over here if we are going to come back down, right? And we're looking for this uptrend to hold on Celestia. Very, very simple, but, you know, keeping our eye on the price. As it retests back into here, we are looking to potentially long it and look for this to continue upwards. We have targets of 832 and 920, okay? But for now, this thing is on an absolute tear. Looking for a continuation here. So for me, I would mark out this downtrend here and look for it to break and find support in here, okay? So that would be my key kind of trading plan if I was looking for continuation on Celestia. If we're going to roll over, we're coming down to this area in here, which is right around let's call it 675, okay? If we come down lower and we're looking for a bounce there and continuation up, okay? But right now, if we break out of this, we look for that and pop, lock, and drop it, okay? That's how I would be looking for Celestia. Absolute banger of a trade there from our good man Thesis, who is another one of our traders in the Discord. Incredible altcoin trader. Dot's coming down. Okay, big push up here. Coming down into actually a very good support level here. Here we have marked out on Dot. You guys know what at the beginning of the stream, we have had two amazing Dot trades from Kyle. Okay, incredible. 15%, 60%. Okay, insane in the membrane. You can't. I don't know. You can't beat it, man. Kyle's incredible. So we're coming down to this area at $8.30. Can it bounce? We'll have to wait and find out. But that's definitely what I'd be looking for. And, you know, just very simple. Set an alarm. Create the alarm. Wait for this to break. Okay. You can even give it some wiggle room, right? Wait for this to break on this downtrend. Okay. And it breaks, and then you look to get long. Okay. You want to see structure of support being formed here. If Bitcoin's going to roll over, which it is, remember we said to go short here. Look at this. This is a shorting level, right? Okay, we said this during the stream. You're already up, right? Who took the short? Put a 1 in the chat if you took the short, okay? You're looking for a bounce here. If you don't get the bounce here, you're coming back for all of this liquidity in here, right? And this could be very corrective before we see a bounce, okay? So don't be buying altcoins at the top. Wait for the correction. We should be getting a correction latest January, okay? Latest January. So be very careful with buying altcoins up at the tops. You don't want to be buying tops, man. I see you guys trying to buy $1 Cardano. My God. I don't know if we could be friends anymore. Okay, going over to Jasmine. Now, this is the one that got away. My friends, I gave this long trade setup, and I just missed it. I just missed the long on Jasmine. I gave this in the Discord, and guys, oh man, you want to talk about regret? Oh man. So we just missed that one. I'm gonna short-term memory in trading, right? Short-term memory. Jasmine ripping to the upside. Okay, a lot of order blocks on the way up here. So you're looking in these general areas. Okay, you do have some support. Down here at 0.0, so 2.2 cents right now. But you are looking to hold right now. The Jasmine trade got away. I've seen some of you got into that Jasmine trade a little bit later than I did, and you rode this thing up. Congratulations to you guys. I think I saw it was let me see, winner's wall. I saw someone get it. Jasmine. Here you go. Look at this guy. See, I can't pronounce your name, Mr. Marcal. He got it. He got the Jasmine trade. I see you. Look at all these wins, man. Dot. Oh my God, you guys. Dot. You guys crushing it. Dot. BTC. Oh man, you guys are incredible, man. I love seeing you guys win. Let's see that Marcal. He got into the beautiful long trade on Jasmine, man. Amazing. Okay, can you take a look at Camino? Hugo, we're not doing any more crests. but we can Hugo and XRP. Let's do it. What did you ask for again? My God, my bird brain. Camino. What is Camino? I've never heard of Camino. Daily Camino. Yeah, my man, you're looking here. This is where I'd be looking. Keeping it simple, man. This 10 cents. If this is a new listing, hopefully. Yeah, that's what I'd be looking for. I mean, there's not a lot of data on here. And let's go over to XRP. XRP in the place to be. Okay, so we gave you guys some key resistance levels, and they worked. Okay, so coming back down in here, we were looking for a breakout from this area. And here we got some support and resistance as well throughout there. Let's go into our 3 hour here. Woo, XRP rolling over. Rolling over, man. That's why don't buy tops, my friends. Don't buy tops. So what has happened is it's retested previous highs. Why do I say that? Because I can see it, man. I can see it. Look at this. Retesting previous highs, okay? Swing low to swing high. Impulse up, impulse down. Look at that. Golden pocket, bounce level. Okay, so you are bouncing off your golden pocket. Looking for this puppy to hold. Okay, that's where I'd be looking. We'll see if it does hold. XRP, perfect little retracement. Fibonacci, golden pocket, retest of previous highs. You can't get much easier than that of a buy level on XRP. You can see the high. You can see the golden pocket bouncing off of there. Okay, so what are you looking for? You're looking for structure here, right? XRP will pump and dump on your ass multiple times. You need to give it a wide berth, okay? So that being said, you're going to go whatever, 2x leverage, and you're going to trade it like this, okay? Because it is choppy, it is volatile, it will wreck you, so be very cautious with XRP. Okay, so that's what I'd be looking for on XRP. Whew, whoa. I'm losing my voice. ICP if possible. Last one. ICP. Doesn't look like it has popped off. ICP rolling over here. Okay, it's done okay. So, same thing, my friend. Same thing. Retest of previous highs. Okay. You're looking in here. Big rejection here. Look at that level. Just missing it by a hair. We'll bring that down a little bit here. Retesting these highs. So your barrier to entry is going to be around $12. As you can see, your barrier to entry to higher prices. Oh, I did not mean to click on the liquidations. Is in here. Okay, you can see that's your barrier to entry. Currently in accumulation, trying to break out of this area, which is a very strong sign here, but doesn't mean you're out of the woods just yet. So I'd be looking, let's go swing low to swing high here. You can come back down to this trend line here. I'd be looking here, and let's pull our fib from swing low to swing high. Golden pockets in here. 382 would be an aggressive bounce. We're not getting that just yet. So I'd be looking lower, my friend. I'd be looking lower just as a precautionary. Yeah. We don't have much volume in this area. That's why it's so sporadic, right? You saw when we looked at the higher term time frames. Yeah, so yeah, you could maybe find some support. You are finding a little bit in here. We'll see if you do get that bounce off of here. Look for bottoming structure, right? My ideal area, if you are going to get a bounce, would be $9.90. Okay, we'll see if you get it. But nice move for ICP, but triple top, man. Triple top. Very bearish pattern to the downside here. So be very, very cautious with any longs right now. Wait for your confirmations. Wait for your bounces. My friends, it's Sunday, baby. We did a live. We don't normally do live. We do lives, though, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, live trading Bitcoin. Right now, we're looking for the bounce on Bitcoin. It is rolling over, so be very cautious with the longs there. It's always an honor and a privilege. Those who won the giveaways, thank you for supporting Billy Goat Tales. We love Billy Goat Tales, and I appreciate you guys for supporting this channel. I will continue to show up for you guys. If you have any other questions, join us in the Discord. $15 a month. It's amazing. It's amazing. So it's always fun to have you guys here. Thank you guys for supporting me. Smash those likes. Subscribe if you're new. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.